Hello there, how are you doing? Career Guidance M.Sc Ph.D Integrated Course in Mathematics. Question. I am a B.Sc Mathematics first year student at Delhi University. How should I plan my future studies? So this person is studying Delhi University B.Sc Mathematics first year. Now the scenario we are looking at is this person is actually doing extremely well in maths. Okay, his 10 plus 2 is 97% ICSE. So we will be discussing from this standpoint. All right. So when you do extremely well, your future study highest recommended course is integrated course, which has both M.Sc as well as PhD in mathematics. Okay. Now option one, go for CMI. Alright, the CMI also has a entrance exam, and it is a very rigorous exam, so you need at least 2 years to prepare. So what that means is in your BSc second year and third year you should parallelly prepare for CMI. Okay, and if that doesn't work out, option 2 is IISER, IIT, and finally NIT. IISER admission require you to first clear the GATE exam, then clear the IIT, which is IISER aptitude test, and then there will be interview, and like that it goes on. All right, then IIT and NIT you need to clear GATE exam. So all these you need to prepare in your second and third year BSc mathematics graduation time. All right, okay. Now career abroad. So once you finish this course, okay, you are very super. All right, you are one of the finest talented person, so you are qualified to travel abroad. All right, um, it's very important that you do this course in the country's prestigious institution. Okay, so since you are in Delhi already, and there are a lot of facilities out there you can use to get into either CMI or IISER. Okay, so continue to study in top colleges so that your graph is high, and this makes a lot of difference when you really like to migrate to USA, Canada, UK, etc., because they will look at your um, colleges. All right, so those colleges should be top quality. All right, and they will give you visa for migration, and and you will get a job in university as professor. Okay, this is one of your option for your career. Now, just for your information, when you do the MSc specialization, please be aware of modern mathematics branches. Okay, you must explore this in detail. Okay, these are some of the examples. Moving on, related videos. So these videos are already there in my playlist. Okay, so watch it or share it if it is useful. This first one is for any person who wanted to do graduation in mathematics in country's best institutions, and what are the national exams involved, and etc. discussed in detail. The second one is for a MSc mathematics person who wanted to migrate. And third one is for a BSc math student who is an average student, and what is his career or higher studies going forward. Okay, moving on. Key terms, additional details. So in this section, we are going in detail, all right, on all the key terms we discussed so far. So you can stay with me if you really want to, otherwise it is optional. Okay. So what is this M.Sc Ph.D integrated course? This is a dual degree program, all right. It goes for 5 years. The first 2 years is for obviously for the MSc courseware theory, and the remaining three years is for the research. Okay, and when it comes to requirements for this course, this is the eligibility. I encourage you to read this is self-explanatory, and all these key things you must read it. Okay, and all these are the requirements of the integrated course. It has coursework involving all this advanced mathematics in your first 2 years. Then you have an exam for MSc. Then you move on to research work. Then you attend seminars and workshops. And finally you do your thesis and you present it in front of a panel of experts. Alright, this is how the M.Sc Ph.D. integrated course will work out. Now CMI entrance exam. Let's look at what is involved here. So this is a national level exam, okay? And they give admission to all these branches, and mathematics is also involved. And this is also for undergraduate program as well as the postgraduate program. Now look at the important details about these exams, okay? Encourage you to read this, all right? This is self-explanatory. It talks about eligibility, application process, exam pattern, syllabus, admit card, result, counseling, and so on, all right? Moving on, IISER entrance test. So IISER is a national test, all right? And they give admission to master degree programs, okay? And mathematics is also there. Now this is a computer based test, multi-choice. It happens during May, June every year, all right? Three hours of exam. Then the eligibility criteria is explained here. Read it. And before you do IIT, you must clear one of this exam, okay? And once you clear this, then you do the IIT, you clear it, then they will invite you for an interview, all right? They'll check your aptitude in person, subject knowledge in person, and based on all these, they'll give you admission. Moving on, MSc Mathematics specialization areas and modern mathematics. Like I told you before, research and explore on all the specialization areas in my MSc when you choose your MSc plus PhD, okay? These are some of the examples. Now you see here from algebra, analysis, topology, all the way to probability and statistics. And then you got mathematical logic, differential equation, number theory, applied mathematics, mathematical physics, computational mathematics. 12 of them listed here, alright? Okay, so we are done here. We are winding up. I hope this was helpful to you. Alright, disclaimer. All the best.